Good morning, my dear children. I hope you are all doing good at home. Today, you are going to learn the concepts count and write. What we are going to do? Count and write. Equal to you have learned last class itself. Equal to concept you have learned in the last class itself. Okay. Next, count and match. Count and match. Next one, write numbers 11 to 20 and write 1 to 10. 20 in textbook. Now we'll move on to textbook. Children, now take your numeracy book. Take page number 32. Take page number 32. Last class you have learned the concept equal to. What did you learn? Equal to. See here, draw object to match the numerals. Draw objects to match the numerals. Here what numerals they have written? Number 3 equal to number 3. See, 3 buttons are there in each side. Like that we have to draw equal number of objects both the sides. Okay. What number is this? 4. What symbol is this? Equal to. What number is this? 4. Now what we have to do? We have to draw 4 objects. What objects you can draw? Shall we draw a star? Very good. Look carefully while I am drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next this side. How many you have to draw? 4 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here next. What number is this? 2. What symbol is this? Equal to. What number is this? 2. Okay, what we have to do? We have to draw 2 objects. Shall we draw a ball? Very good. You all like to draw a ball, isn't it? Yes. 1, 2. 1, 2. We have drawn equal number of balls both the side. Next, what number is this? 1 equal to 1. How many objects we have to draw? 1. Shall we draw ice cream? Yes. You all like to eat ice cream? Yes. One. How many ice cream we have to draw? 1 ice cream for both sides. Next, what number is this? 5. What symbol is this? Equal to. What number is this? 5. 5 equal to 5. Now what we have to do? We have to draw 5 objects. We have to draw 5 objects. Shall we draw a cup? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next this side how many? 4 cups. 5 cups. How many cups we have to draw? 5 cups. How many cups we have to draw? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many cups? 5 cups. Okay. Now we'll move on to next concept, count and write. Count and write. You all know numbers from 1 to 50, isn't it? Now we are going to count the object and write the numeral. count the object and write the numeral. Shall we? What is this? Scooter. How many scooter? One. What I have to do? I have to write number 1 here. Then what are these? These are ducks. How many? 1, 2. How many ducks? 2 ducks. Next. These are apples. How many? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3. How many apples are here? 3 apples. So I am going to write number 3 here. What are these? Yes, these are caps. How many caps? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many caps are here? 4 caps. So I am going to write number 4 here. Next, what are these? These are rings. How many shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many rings? 5 rings. What are these? These are buttons. How many? Studs. How many studs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6 studs. Next, what are these? These are balls. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many balls? 7 balls. What are these? These are clocks. Shall we count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many clocks? 8 clocks. What are these? These are hats. These are hats. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? How many? 9. Shall we count the next object? Come, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many objects are here? 10. So I am going to write number 10 here. We'll move on to next page. Page number 34. Page number 34. Count and match. Count and match. What we are going to do? Count and match. Match the objects with the correct numeral. Match the objects with the correct numeral. Shall we start? Can you see the numbers here? Yes. What are these? These are squares. Colorful squares. Now we are going to count the object and match the numeral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 8. Where is number 8? You have to draw line to match the numeral. Next, how many shall we count? Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many objects? 7 objects. Now, how many? Only 1. Where is number 1? It is on top. Now, how shall we count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 10. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? 9. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. I have to match with number 4. Now how many? 1, 2. Where is number 2? It is on top. Number 2. Next. How many? 1, 2, 3. So I have to match with number 3. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Match with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have to match. Children, you all know, you all finished count and match. Now we'll move on to the next page. You all know numbers 1 to 50. In this page, you have to write numbers 11 to 20. What you have to do? Write numbers 11 to 20. Okay. You have, while you are writing, numbers should touch the down line. See. 11. What number is this? 11. 12. All the numbers should touch the down line. Okay, children. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. We'll move on to next page. Page number 36. Page number 36. 1 to 20. Write numerals 1 to 20. In this caterpillar, you have to write numbers 1 to 20. What you have to do? Numbers 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, children. Now we'll move on to classwork. Now we are going to write numbers 71 to 80 in classwork. Shall we start? Good. What we are going to write? 71 to 80. See, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Number should touch the down line. Okay. Now I have left 2 boxes and I am going to write it in the third box. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Again I have left 2 boxes. I am going to write it in the third box. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Leave 2 boxes and write it in the third one. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Okay children, write it in the classwork, send it through WhatsApp. Thank you. We'll see you in the next class.